Today we are going to talk about a simple yet powerful combo, turmeric and milk, also known as golden milk. If you are curious about how this golden drink can benefit your health, keep watching. Let's start with the basics. Turmeric has been used in Ayurveda and traditional medicine for centuries, and for a good reason. Its active compound, curcumin, is loaded with health benefits. When you pair it with milk, you get a soothing, creamy drink that's great for your body and mind. So, let's break down the top benefits. Benefit number 1, anti-inflammatory powerhouse. First up, anti-inflammatory benefits. Curcumin, the main ingredient in turmeric, is a natural anti-inflammatory. That means it can help reduce swelling, pain, and other inflammatory symptoms. For those dealing with joint pain, arthritis, or just general muscle soreness, golden milk is a fantastic option. Benefit number 2, boosts immunity. Turmeric is a known immune booster. It has antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal properties. Adding turmeric to your milk creates a comforting drink that helps to strengthen your immune system, making it especially great during cold and flu season. Benefit number 3, helps with better sleep. Ever heard of drinking warm milk before bed to help you sleep? Well, adding turmeric takes it up a notch. This combo not only promotes relaxation but also supports deep sleep. Turmeric's soothing properties help you wind down, and the warm milk can make it even easier to drift off. Benefit number 4, rich in antioxidants. Turmeric and milk are both packed with antioxidants. These help to protect your cells from damage, reducing the risk of chronic disease like cancer, heart disease, and even Alzheimer's. Antioxidants are also known for their anti-aging properties, which can help keep your skin looking youthful and glowing. Benefit number 5, supports skin health. Turmeric has amazing skin benefits. Its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial effects can reduce acne and improve your skin elasticity. Plus, drinking this regularly can give you that natural glow from the inside out. Benefit number 6, aids in digestion. Turmeric stimulates bile production, which aids in digestion. Combined with warm milk, this drink can also help soothe any stomach discomfort, reduce gas, and ease bloating. It's creamy, warm, and comforting, perfect for relaxing at night or whenever you need a health boost. And there you have it, a delicious way to add turmeric's powerful benefit to your daily routine. If you try making this golden milk, let me know in the comments how you liked it. And if you are looking for more natural wellness tips, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.